Alright, we're going to do our inner and outer tie rods here. So, our first thing I think will be to break the outer tie rod loose. And let me get you situated here. Alright. I think there's much of a cotter pin left. We're gonna give it the old, you know, college try here, but she's not looking too hot. My impact in my sockets, and I lost my sheet. So, drop it. Drop it. All right, that should be enough. So, all right. We're going to pull this out. There we go. Looks like that's been off before. Now we're going to break this jam nut loose here. I have to give it a bonk or two. Wow. Maybe. Trick is to just keep working. Come on, baby. Look at this. So this really should go up here for this ABS wire. Whoever put this in did not put the brackets back. This isn't in that bracket like it should be. Someone was in here doing front end work. I did not do any of it right. I have to see if I can get a bolt. This car is a mess. I mean, at least a zip tie to hold that ABS sensor wire up off. Okay, we've got the, I broke the jam nut loose finally. A little persuasion. Now with a little persuasion, let's get that up and off. So, now, when we're doing this, look how stiff. The inner tie rod's fine. It's this outer one that's just junk. So we know what it is. We're going to go 1 revolution, 2 revolutions, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and each time you count a revolution, you know, have it pointing back in the same spot. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 21 and a half. It looks like someone did put anti-seize on it at one particular time. You can see it there, but hell if she helped much. So, being said, we're gonna get our new one and put it on, you know, where it starts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, and there we go. We're back in the same spot. Now, what we'll do is we'll come over here, stick it down through our chassis. Give it a loving bonk here. And a washer on the bottom of this, so probably gonna install the washer again. Now, let's move you back here. So I have some working room, you know. That's a 17. So, for this new one, the one I pulled off was an 18. I don't know what brand or anything else. Definitely been replaced because of the Zerk fitting. Let's pull this right on down. And pull this down and we'll get our solder pin here. We'll slip this solder pin through. We'll use our small home hammer. And then we'll just take our needle nose here. Then we'll fold that over. Now I'm going to take my 22mm from my jam nut on that wrench. I'm going to work this jam nut back and forth a little bit. And I know we've got NFCs on it, but hell if it was tight, hell it was tight. Too tight, in my opinion. There we go. And that's that. Brakes look good, but those rotors are warped, so we're probably going to come off with those. But yeah, so we're all ready to grease it. I mean, I'm going to have to do an alignment, but it should be pretty damn spot on to what it was. So here's that. And if this is all floppy, you notice how my inner tie rod stayed erect at attention, you know. It would not drop down. I could let it go and it'd stay up. Now if you pull this up, let it go and it flopped down, you've got a bad inner tie rod. It's on its way out because it's got play in it. This one didn't have any play starting in it, so we're good. We got out of that mess, so I'm not gonna do it. You know, these joints should be stiff. So yeah, we're good on that one. I'm gonna keep an inner tie rod for later. But yeah, that's good now. All I gotta do is grease it, and I'm gonna take care of these brakes. And I'm gonna get this remounted. I have to go find me a small bolt for that. That should mount the side of there. So I'm gonna get all this done. We'll grease this up. That's basically been a video on how to replace the inner tie rod on your front wheel drive car. Heck, most cars, this application will work on most cars, but that's what it is. And I do appreciate you watching, and you have a great day.